Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be making another one of our favorite Christmas treats that we make every year, and it's peanut butter fudge. You're going to need 2 sticks of butter, an 18-ounce jar of peanut butter. I've got this big one, so I'll use about 2 1/4 cups, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 jar of marshmallow cream, it's 7 ounces, and 2 pounds of powdered sugar. You also need about a couple teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, I've got my big pot on the stove. You'll need a big pot because it's easier to mix once everything comes together. I'm going to put my 2 sticks of butter in, my milk, and my bag of powdered sugar. This is 2 pounds. This makes 5 pounds of peanut butter fudge. Now we're going to let that start heating up. Okay, while that's warming up, I recommend you put your peanut butter, your marshmallow cream, and your vanilla in a bowl ready for whenever the mixture comes up to the soft ball stage, because you got to work quick when it does to get everything mixed together. Okay, and I have my pan ready. It's just a cookie sheet. You can use a 9x13 pan or just however thick you want it. I'm going to make these pretty thin this time. And what I've got is parchment paper with butter smeared on it. And we're going to have that ready because, like I said, you've got to work quick when it comes up to temperature. Okay, everything's melted, and you want to stir constantly until I've got this thermometer here. You want to get it up to 235 degrees. Once it starts boiling, takes about 5 to 6 minutes. But we'll come back when it's starting to boil. Okay, it's starting to boil pretty good now. Be careful, because if this stuff pops on you, it will burn. And it'll keep burning. So just be really careful. But continuously stir it. I'm up to about 200 right now. So it's got about 35 degrees to go. You just have to keep stirring. You can also test it by putting a little bit in some water, some cold water, and it forms, see if it has a little bit of a soft ball to it. But I always just do it like this and just watch it. Okay, mine's just about there. Once it gets the temperature, you want to take it straight off the stove, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, we got it off the stove, and now you got to work pretty quick. Put your peanut butter, marshmallow cream, and vanilla in, and mix it up. Now, as soon as we get this mixed up, we're going to pour it in our pan. It'll start setting up pretty quick. Okay, just pour it in the pan and spread it out. Now you want to let this set and cool and get set up. It'll take it a little bit. We'll be back then. And there you have it, peanut butter fudge.